goal with this activity is to really loosen up the entire body. It's also a great setup for any type of pressing movement. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to start on hands and knees. You want your knees and hips stacked atop one another, and you want your hands stacked atop your shoulders, so you don't want to be too far back or too far forward, because that would unstackify yourself. It's a technical term. From here, what you want to do is you want to get a little bit of gentle kneecap pressure into the ground. That's going to get a little bit of a hip tuck. You don't want to get super exaggerated with it, so kneecap pressure into the ground. And then you want to push through this part of your hand. So there's this wiggly bone on the side called your pisiform. You want to think about reaching through that bone, keeping your hands flat. So I got my kneecaps. I got the reach just like this. My chest is staying parallel to the ground as I do it. I'm not crunching. Kneecaps, press through the pisiform, hold position. You're going to breathe silently in through the nose. Exhale as long as you comfortably can without losing position. Just like that. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.